Hi guys, I would like to welcome you all to the Real-Time Applications Center. It gives me an immense pleasure to invite you all to our internship program. As you all are aware that internship is a very crucial phase in your academic life, as it transforms a student into an IT professional. We urge you to take full advantage of this opportunity and maximize your learning experience with us. Let us now provide you with a brief introduction to our company. We'll tell you a little about us, like who we are and where we've come from, and some notable milestones that we have achieved along the way. Additionally, we'll touch on the products and services we offer to our clients. But what's even more exciting is that we'll also discuss the potential learning opportunities available if you're considering joining us as an intern. So let's get started right away. Real-Time Applications Center is a company that works with IT products and services. Our goal is to positively impact the profitability of our clients. That is to help them make more money through use of our innovative products and services. We follow industry standard ITIL framework to ensure high quality of customer service. Our journey so far has been quite exciting. We started with just 2 founders working from a small home office. Things kicked off well when our first mobile app for a banking client was a hit, and we've been expanding ever since. Today, we're a team of over 30 members, based out of our Kolhapur office. Let us check out a few key milestones in our journey till date. We started operating back in the year 2017. Within a year's time we launched our first product. In the year 2019 we bagged our first overseas project from a UK-based client. By 2021 we had established our domestic sales network primarily in Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka. Then in 2022 we received the prestigious ISO certification for quality management and information security management systems. Going forward we would like to introduce new products and expand our sales network even further. Our vision is to revolutionize the industries through innovative software solutions, foster collaboration and contribute to shaping the future where technology enriches every facet of life. Our mission is to assist our customers in their digital journey to achieve the next level by delivering innovative, cutting-edge technology products and services through competent people with passion. Now let us look at our products and services offerings. We have 3 verticals, namely banking products, technology services and back-office services. Under banking products we offer core banking applications, collection solutions and document management solutions to our clients like cooperative credit societies, multi-state societies, Nidhi companies and banks. Under technology services we undertake web and mobile applications development projects and cloud-based services. Under back-office services we offer loan portfolio management services and data verification services. As we offer cloud-native services, we take product quality and information security aspects very seriously. Our internal processes are ISO 9001 and ISO 27001 certified. Just to summarize our achievements, we have been in the business for 7+ years. We have a 30+ members strong team. We cater to needs of 400+ customers through more than 10 products and services. Having said all this, here comes the most important thing for you guys, and that is what kind of learning opportunities exist for you if you decide to join our internship program. The technology stack that we use for web applications development consists of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. For mobile applications development we use Android and Apache Cordova, and we use PHP and MySQL for back-end development. Our insight is pretty deep into the banking, retail and manufacturing domains. As an intern you shall receive industry-grade training on relevant technologies and domain knowledge absolutely for free. The training shall be followed by a live project and we offer a performance bonus up to Rs 20,000. If you find this really interesting, go ahead and register your candidature. To do this, you may either pause this video and scan the QR code, fill up the information and submit the form, or alternatively you may click the link in the description box, fill up the information and submit the form. Please note you also have to follow other guidelines, if any, issued by your college in this regard. Once we receive your interest, we shall get in touch with you to initiate the process. Here is the contact information for our company. We thank you for your time and wish you all the very best for your bright career.